Whew, okay, what's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Sup? All right, y'all. I am still off work right now. I think I'll be going back to work tomorrow. But today, yesterday they couldn't get nobody out. But I went on ahead and made me something to eat up in the house. But today I'm eating me some Louisiana fried chicken. I seen them back a while ago, and I just want to go ahead and try them out. See what they hitting on. We got the French fries. We got some French fries right here. And then we got some jambalaya. And we just got the fried chicken in a row. So let's see what they hitting on. We're gonna try with this first because we always try French fry first. Let's see what we working with. It's okay. I'm gonna give it probably about, I give it a 3.5. It ain't really, I expect jambalaya to have a little spice up in it, but this is fast food jambalaya. So, all right. Now, got the French fry? Okay. Look good. Now, let's do the fried chicken without hot sauce. Without hot sauce first, because I do got some right here. Do got it right there. Okay. Okay. Got a little kick to it. All I need is a pepper. All I need is a pepper. But all right. Now let's do something with the hot sauce on there. Do it with the hot sauce. Okay, Louisiana. I'm gonna get y'all a 8.5. I'm gonna give it to you, 8.5. Try them out.